Best portable air compressors. Few things are worse than walking out to a flat tire on a busy morning. But which pump do you actually buy? I bought the 5 top models on the market and put them to work on my own tires to figure out which one is the absolute best. Let's find the right one for you.
Product number 1, Astro AI Tire Inflator, AC/DC. When I held this Astro AI inflator, I noticed how solid it felt, and I love the bright yellow case. It has a great cord storage compartment that keeps everything tidy. During testing, the dual power feature was the best part. I used the standard wall plug to inflate a huge air mattress in high volume mode, and it was incredibly fast. Then I switched it to high pressure mode and used the car's 12-volt outlet to top off my SUV tires. It took a totally flat tire up to 36 psi in just 5 minutes, and the auto shutoff was spot on. It even has a memory feature for your last pressure setting. If you want one pump that does it all for tires, bikes, and even airbeds at home, this versatile model is easily my top choice for home and travel use. It's perfect for families. If you need that same flexibility but specifically need something for heavy-duty trucks, wait until you see this next one.
Product number 2, Eaton Wolf Vortex S6. The Eaton Wolf Vortex S6 feels incredibly rugged in hand, finished in a vivid orange that's hard to lose. Testing this thing on a full-size pickup was mind-blowing. It features a 100% duty cycle, which means I could actually inflate all 4 massive tires in a row without stopping to let it cool down. The dual cylinders handled it easily. This pump is ultra-fast. It filled a 31-inch tire in just 1 minute. The built-in 19,200 mAh battery seems to last forever. I got 18 top-offs on a single charge. My favorite part is the auto stop, paired with a massive 1,000-lumen LED that works better as a camping lantern than just an emergency light. If you own a heavy-duty truck or off-road vehicle and need reliable, blazing fast cordless power, don't waste your time with smaller units. This is the one you must buy. However, if you are looking for that cordless freedom in a more compact size for your standard sedan, this next option might fit better.
Product number 3, Dual Power Cordless. When I held this compact cordless pump, I loved how light it felt. My favorite part is that it includes both a built-in 5400 mAh battery and a 12-volt DC backup cord. During my testing, this completely eliminated low battery anxiety. If the battery's dead, I just plug it into the car and keep working. The 19-cylinder motor is surprisingly powerful. It inflated a standard tire to 36 psi in only 6 minutes. The digital display makes it easy to set one of the 4 smart modes, and the auto shutoff was spot on. It has a super handy built-in storage compartment for the nozzles, so you never lose them. As a bonus, it doubles as an emergency power bank for charging your phone. If you want a compact, reliable, all-in-one safety kit for roadside emergencies, this is a fantastic and affordable option. Of course, having air is great, but sometimes a dead battery is the bigger issue, which leads us to this multi-tool.
Product number 4, Jump Starter with Air Compressor. This Jump Starter combo unit feels dense and powerful, like aerospace-grade gear. I tested the Jump Starter on a huge gasoline engine, and it provided a reliable, strong start in freezing temperatures without breaking a sweat. But my favorite part is that it also includes a high-performance air compressor. It delivers rapid airflow at 35 liters per minute, which is noticeably faster than most standalone compact pumps. It features a massive 2.6-inch screen to monitor accurate pressure changes in real time, and the auto shutoff stops perfectly at your preset setting. The internal cooling fan supports continuous use, and the whole device acts as a giant power bank. If you want the peace of mind of having air inflation and a strong jump starter in one incredibly durable unit, this is the ultimate road trip companion for you. Now, if you are a tech enthusiast who loves total control from your phone, this final pump is for you. Product number 5, Smart APP Air Pump. When I held this tire inflator, I noticed how sleek and compact the design was. My favorite part is the all-in-one storage design. All the nozzles and accessories are stored right inside the pump body, so you never lose them. It connects to an app on your phone,
allowing you to customize unique settings for your specific SUV or bicycle tires, which is cool. It delivers serious power, increasing standard inflation speed by 3 times with a high flow rate of 35 liters per minute. The LED screen is bright, even in direct sunlight, and the auto stop prevents any worries about overinflation. It even doubles as an emergency charger. If you are a beginner who wants preset ease, or a tech lover who wants customizable control from an app, this smart, compact pump is a fantastic and reliable companion for daily commutes. That wraps up my testing of the best portable air compressors you can buy right now. Stop worrying about flat tires or being stuck on the roadside. If you want to check the current prices, I put links to all these models in the description below, so go take a look. See you soon!